Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and I'm in Newport Richey, Florida. I have been at this hotel overnight, so it's not going to be as clean and pretty as it would be if I'd just gotten in. But this is tub shower combo bathroom. We do have a refrigerator, microwave, king bed, and plenty of outlets near the bed, and also over under the television, which you'll see there, and a wardrobe. And nice, you have a chair and also a little lounging sofa, so that's nice. One downside for this room, this is 428. That is US 19, right through that window. It is very noisy, so that's the downside for having a street-facing room when you're at this hotel. It's very noisy pretty much all night. Thankfully, earplugs work. So that's just one of the not so nice things about the Holiday Inn Express in Newport Richey. Otherwise, pretty decent stay. People very nice here. Breakfast was good. Yeah, pretty standard fare at the Holiday Inn. But overall, not a bad room. Just remember, if you're facing the street, ask for another room because you probably will not like it. And I just hit the camera. That was bad. Have a great Sunday.